on, miss?
I just wanted to ask you some questions before I take this job application any further.
Alright.
Why would you like to work for this company?
I'm sorry, what? Repeat the question.
Why would you...
Me urge you the first time. What do you mean why me want to work for your company?
Oh.
Me broke, me need money. Oh, next question.
What made you apply for this job?
You deaf? You said me broke. You need people. I am people. Just sent me to this job and me here. Alright, next question.
So, why do you think you're the right person for this job role?
What do you mean why? You not see me? Suit, tie, me look fly. What do you mean? Me want the job. You put the job on the table and me applied for the job. Come. Listen, between me and you, me not have no qualification for this job. You saw the thing on Indeed, me applied for it, and me here, you know. But
I don't think I'll be taking this application any more further.
alright, listen, I'm gonna see you Monday morning. Nice and early.
For what?
What do you mean, for what? You hire me? Me got the job.
No.
See you Monday.
No. Excuse me, sir. I'm not taking this application.
You can't fire me, alright? You hired me, now me have the job. Me see you Monday morning. One love, brother.
Gobble YP. Bomba, you know, say one of my favorite artists, them do my...
You see me going to support the thing, man, you see me?
Oh my God. Bomba, my God, I know some listen to you, all of your music, them do my killer. Yo, watch out, me killer. No, you check, me can't eat a photo.
What you mean, dog? Ford, come take 2 pic with the badge of yours, yo. Take a pic for you, dog.
Buckler, my God, take a photo for me, them, dog. Stop, people. Shit.
You're dead.
Yeah, man, you're dead, man.
You just step on the clock, so I have to stab you up here now, you see me?
Accident.
You have to get stabbed up by only option that me have. Yo, what me
You
can do?
have to stop them come and take me your shoes.
What you mean, and I hear what a song say? A boy step on my clock, so I stab him up. No! Allow me to tell you another song say.
Man, kill him.
Yo, please tell me say a joke now make that. Watch them dog.
Yo, that make the sense, yeah, go the job. Yo, see next.
Can't brush off me, please.
Sorry, but what you take? You see me? Alright, you see what you did do? Can't rub out. You see what you did do? If you never did do that, you can't even bother did do that. Yo, no worry, me stab him.
No, nothing on me heart, dog. Smaddy, eh? I'm not pushing. I do that alone. I use all stuff I make noise.
I'm gonna tell her, say, my girl, oh, you have to cook mackerel and you put the water in the pot. yo. Dog, you not have to clap your hand them when me tell her joke, dog. Just laugh. What you mean hand? I don't use my hand them. So, for you clap with my body jar them. What? Yeah, dog. Maximum efficiency. Hear them loud. What I wanna? That look, yo, bro.
Mr. Girl, you don't know say Mark seen me all at 2 weeks. And then have the audacity to come text my phone, boy, I want to see. Girl, I just tell him say I'm done, because I can't bother. I'm done, girl, I not go back, I'm done. This time, girl, this time around, girl, me done. There's nothing you can tell me to make me go back to him, I just done.
If you say so, anything you say.
What you mean? What you mean by girl? That me say, can you ever go back? You gonna see how serious me be this time, girl. Me swear. If me I tell her right or so, God strike me. Me now go back to the boy, girl. Oh, you for see me well a 2 week, girl? I'ma turn back and talk to you. No, girl, I'm done. Serious this trip. Alright, I believe you. That's a disrespect for you, girl. My name not take that either, girl. That's a real disrespect. Him can call all him want, I not answer, girl. Answer here, what am I saying? I'm your answer, fan. But look like idiot. It a go stay there and ring. You must know what you want to still. Him don't have no
anything I do,
respect for me,
Mr.
girl. Me not
Humorous.
answer him call.
So if you decide you don't want to deal back with him, girl, your choice that, because for seeing me for all of 2 weeks, girl, and wickedness that. And then one come tell me say you want to see me. Me a side girl, me a careless girl. I'm not wrong, you girl. I will station me for go on now. You want to watch Netflix?
Girl, him there the gate. Next weekend, me come back. Oh my God.
You know, say friend are cheap on me.
My friend, I lie you tell.
Yo, hold this. Hold this, no man.
What y'all say to me? No, sir, I know my friend this. I know my friend this. My friend loyal. No, sir, I feel AI this. My friend loyal. I know
Yo,
my friend.
I know that. Make him come in at this. Yo,
No, sir, man. I know my friend that.
give me this.
Yo, bro. Let me have to talk quick, you know, cause yo, your man just show me screenshot with your cheat, dog. Yeah, bro. The said big body girl when me gave last week. Yeah, dog. She showed me screenshot with your text man and be things. Me I feel act surprised. And I say, yo, I feel AI that my friend nah do that. Yeah, bro. She all threaten me and say, yo, you better not come in at this, so you better not come home. She go to tab in here, kill her, dog. For real. No, mother me I talk to. You come on, dad. Don't come on.
Between me and you, and you need to stop run from the girl,
Bro,
them, brother.
I run from the girl, bro.
Run, yeah, run from the girl,
Run
them.
from the girl, bro. Next week, me talk to her, brother. Next week, me talk to her.
Run,
bro.
run.
Wow.
What do you mean next week you gotta talk to the
Next
girl?
week.
Run. Oh, you gotta talk to her next week if you can't talk to one girl now. And then she
brother,
gotta look
next
on and
week,
talk
bro,
to
watch
now.
you know, me have to get time for build up my
Alright, see time, yeah.
No,
Look for the tickers up the
no,
road. Go chat to the
no.
tickers up the road, run.
No,
Run, go
next
chat to the
week,
tickers up the road, now, run.
next
Run,
week,
look how girl body big, run, you don't want chat, run. You man a run from girl, Lord God, run a body boy.
Yung man no fries, you know. So, that's not like kumain place, you know.
You don't want fries? You don't want fries? I got fries.
What you talk to?
I got fries.
Yo, brother.
What?
You black man, you know. Yo.
What are you? What are you guys?
Yo, brother. A Jamaican, I'm born and growing up.
Đã biết họ có
Yo, fuck, yo, brother.
Con lên thì đại rồi. Xong đường đánh hả? Ý gì?
What them stereotype thing, brother?
Stereophone? You got phone? I got phone. Stereophone. I got phone.
Fully technical.
Phone, what is phone? Where you go?
University College, where we have an exterminator.
Next one.
Hoff, it's your first time flying.
Backside is a top. Hey!
When parts hire a Jamaican.
Phone number with us so I can go ahead and pull up.
Yeah, I do. It's gonna be 954-533.
Wait, brother. All right, go ahead.
Okay, 954-533.
Hey boy, listen to me, Busta Rhymes. You need to take your time and say the number in a brother. Cause me not hear you. One number at a time, brother. You're talking a cursive, brother. Take your time and say the number. 954 and then what, brother? What?
5.
And then what, brother? Yo, you didn't even tell me your number again. I want your address. Me I gonna murder your bumbuckler. Me I gonna murder your.
And I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Keisha got that wop, bro. I was in that shit like, and I was drowning, my nigga. Like I was drowning. I was like, bro,
that shit sound crazy.
But hey, yo, Dante, how them Jamaican girls taste, bro? Oh, no. We don't do that in Jamaica.
Bro, what? How can y'all not eat pussy?
Because that's nasty. Bro, no disrespect. But y'all niggas lame as shit. This nigga don't eat pussy, bro. Like, that's probably why he don't got no holes. Get out of here, nigga.
Morning. Morning. Mommy, what that? What you mean what that? Me can't find? No, nothing in the kitchen. Open me door, you lock up the 49 fridge. No, look the father. Me never dream of you when me not see this. Why you tell me when my party in my own house? No, just please open the fridge door now. Your father staying up the food in the fridge. Ah, boy, you clappers. What make you so stush? I'm gonna let them big sissy girl let talk about fat in the fridge. I'm gonna lick you down here, boy. Mommy, all me says you can't poop in the fridge. It's against table manners. You just don't understand. At the table. At the table list. At the table list. The kitchen at the table. All right. It's a girl in the front plate of the kitchen.
Because watch this, when I reach late and the place is quiet. Because them think me never either come. But a little traffic one me does wap wap. And then me does bap bap and then me does bap bap bap.
You have to control your passenger boy when they tell me just bother than me tell him. I wonder if you think a policeman can lock me up, so. Boy, you idiot, me pay a policeman to arrest me. Move out of my face and drive the van. You don't tell the boy to stop customer road to me. You think I beg you drive? I'm the customer road on the baby. Hold on, you know the gang you ain't in there when you come. I style you can't style me, you know. You can't style me, because I'm police boy and put that handcuff on this. You go and laugh with that. Let me tell you. Because you don't know me. Your radio man to go be and ask me. Like your ma and you.
It's Lou.
Me I hear you, me not Dave.
Look. There are the persons in the car.
No, you must listen me.
Hold on.
You have to ask him when cuss me say. I me cuss him back. Because I'm not there in the way.
You know, I can't take you out of the vehicle, right?
Yeah, but you can't lock me up. You have to call the police girl to do that.
The vehicle because you disturb the other persons
and what about when you...
the vehicle.
Go away. Go away. And you made a talk. You come and call you me a cuss.
Therefore.
So when you make cuss, what happen?
I am asking
you. See me more lock up.
Therefore, I'm asking you to cease and desist from disturbing the persons on the vehicle.
And tell him to not cuss to me because as I move up and him cuss me cuss back.
Nobody not cuss you, man.
You made a talk. You.
I know, man.
You. This is the one that cuss him. The eye boy. The eye.
This bitch.
Yo, my general, yo, I don't know. I don't mean for disturb you, but me there, you don't really know about the place. You see me? I look for them street, I'm thinking 50. If like, him is a snark, bitch, 50. Bitch, killer, why you help him, sir? Bro, I'm here. Dog, me just with help, she won't 53 street, the killer.
What the fuck?
Why you stay, sir?
Threatening me?
Threatening you, bro, me not threatening you, killer.
Man, don't even pop your ass.
The bumbo killer. Bro, I just want to know which part of the place to me G. That's all I ask you, bro.
Man, get the fuck out of here.
Yo, I tell you about them bumbo killer idiot, you know.
Hello, auntie. Sorry to bother you again, auntie. I'm just wondering if you could help me out with some money, auntie. Yes, auntie, because right now I don't even have enough clothes, auntie. Yes, I don't have money to buy clothes, auntie. I don't live anywhere, auntie. Yes, I wonder if you could send me some gift cards through the Ding app. Like Fanta and a gift card so I can get some clothes. And one grocery gift card, auntie, because them have gift card, auntie.
Whatever, mommy say you dinner ready, you know.
Nobody, auntie. Somebody passing on the road, auntie. So just remember to send me the thing through the gift card. Through the Ding app. Yeah, informer.
Oi! Me say, Master God. Me say, me people them just gone back a foreign master. Me say, I couldn't wait for them left. Man, me say, look here. Me say, they're stressful. Me say, they go like for them man can't do nothing. Say me, for them man can't do nothing. For them man shut up. Me say, look here. They want you to do everything. But one thing they not make you do. I change your money. Yeah, man, I them that man. Me say, oh, as long as me live anytime here, say, them man come here. You see? Me gone. Yeah. Me say, Chin.
Oi.
Me say, I couldn't wait for them going. Hey, look here. Them the people, you see?
Judgment.
Me say, oi. You see they have them barrel.
Yeah.
Lock up in their room. You see? Yeah.
And I don't get a soup, not even a rice.
You're not gonna get it.
You see me? And look at any time for them Christian friend come. I'm all Lord Jesus, glory, shalabaha.
Be a shot in better way.
Lord God, I just saw you see back. You know, a fling like we still did 2020 bowl of them. Me say, Lord Jesus, me say, hey, look here.
Lord Jesus, then done the gas. Cause they know I use cold water, bathe in the hot water, they know I use. Me say, anyone they pray there in the sky. They better turn back.
How are you, pal? I get a pint of Guinness, please. I'm dying for a pint.
Yo, I'm get a hot Guinness. Yeah, just straight out the back. Don't even open it. Me open it myself and me teach. Simple things. Hurry up now.
You know?
And tonight is the night.
All right.
Is the soup ready? Eh? Soup's ready, sir?
Let go me, man. Let go me, bomb clam. And let me blood out all and to bomb clam, man. Every time, let me blood clam out of me, man.
Box up on your blood clam.
We jump up, put up.
No, I don't know anyone here. I'm from Jamaica. Can you type it on the JPS on the phone? Can you type it on the JPS on the phone? The Google Maps.
Yeah, man, just get a cab a while ago, you know. Oh, white driver, man.
Yeah, you're right, man.
Yeah, white driver, man.
Hey, boy, come on, I want to eat that boy, man.
Yo, you're Jamaican?
Long time, brother.
Man.
Come on, to the road.
Yo, move up, move.
Look here. Me, I send you down the road. Figure by 2 pounds of sugar, 2 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of cornmeal. But guess what? You can't make them know say you come from foreign because anyhow them know say you come from foreign, them a go beg you. So watch ya. This is a Jamaica $100. In Jamaica, we call it bills.
Bills.
Bill. Alright, so guess what? If you walk on the road and anybody you see on the corner and them say, Mr. Chin, beg your bills, they're talking the Jamaica $100.
Okay.
So watch ya. If you walk on the road and them say, Mr. Chin, beg your bills, just say, yo, I go circle back. Do that, show me. Do that. So pretend say you walk on the road and me see you and me beg your bills. Go on. Yo, Mr. Chin, beg your bills. We circle back. Young, come here, young. So watch ya. Show me how you are go walk good on a shop with the money as a Jamaican. Just show me. Jesus. Me can't send him go shop. Young, come. You don't want to beg off the money, young. Come.
Up the left. That shot, me feel like no. Rajan can't get that shot, I can't fit him. Alright, this a shot you have to go home. This a pants, me can't give for a $400 for it. Me can't.
Remember to carry up the box of pocket for hand.
Look here, me not carry nothing for nobody. Me not carrying anything for nobody. Oh,
boy, still your sister,
and me have to go take out and pay for. The only thing me I carry are the 2 back like castor rice for me daughter them. Oh.
So just do it.
And the sorry, Jesus Christ.
And your sister.
And the sorry, you want to wrap up. Wait then.
Me understand, man.
The last time Anna come here, me tell Ann to carry up one box of patty for me and tell me no. And me say Ann come up, suitcase empty. And she couldn't carry the box of patty for me. But where? Ann favor mongrel.
No, we can't carry up a box.
Look here, we don't reach airport yet. And me need to get a box of patty when we reach airport. So, me sorry. Anybody want something? Have to come down for it.
Stop. That hurts.
You know me did think me and you could be friends. Can't do it again. Me I got murder your blood. Curry goat me I go have tonight.
Oh, he's so cute. Huh?
Yo, Junior, I hope you know say you and Jimmy I get 6 today, no dog.
6 where you're a madman, brother.
Straight 6 when I get, bro. Yo, Jimmy! Far ball! Yo, I'm going in and say, who you? Come to Jimmy, who you? I am Count Dracula. I have been alive for over 1,000 years, feeding on the flesh of mankind. Your friend was exquisite. I hope you tasted the same. What on there? Well, on the pause. You hear him say what ago?
The dog say eat man for 1,000 years, dog. A batty boy.
Man for 1,000 years. No, dog, you're a batty man. You're fish. You're fish. I'm not gay or anything. I just. No, you're a batty man. Yeah, you man for 1,000 years. Mankind mean both men and women. Bro, come on. Look how much woman there. I'm not gay. Not the buff still. But look how much woman there you could have eat, bro. Enough. What? You smell it? No, Junior, father, brother, you can't. Jimmy, you're a batty man for make this man that kill you, Jimmy. You're a fish. Come in, you're a fish. You know, see, you even smell that bad.
Where the fuck you look for me for? Yeah? You love man? Look for you. Can't move, just defenseless. Suppose one girl come and rub her front across your face. Yeah? What you would do? And everybody start calling you face front. How would that? Face front? You nasty, dirty boas. You nasty, you dirty germs. Anybody can come and take your virginity. Or you can't stand people like you, bro. Just no ambition. And look how long you lay down there, so. You beard? You just, you're green. You're green. I go in at the other room and give your girl one backers. Yeah? I go and breed her. You hear me? Your girl will be bred. So you better turn down the AC because it's going to get cold and you'll get one jacket. You hear me? You're going to raise one pitney will look like me. Two. I suck your mother.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.